Subtitle is The Primal Vision of Maurice Sendak, and the book is called There's a Mystery Tree. Over the course of a revelatory conversation about his life work and the fantasies and obsessions that drove Maurice Sendak's creative process, here are some of the most important children's book artists' work from the 20th century in a large pictorial hardback with dozens of colour illustrations. He illustrated more than 100 children's books and sold more than 30 million copies of his books in the USA, in his native USA alone. 242 large pages. It's a $30 book and it's £8.50 through bibliophilebooks.com.